single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm the right song. My power's turned on. Starting right now. I'll be strong. I'll follow my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else leaves, 'cause I still got a lot of fight left in me.
I have to pee.
Let me get off.
Yes, I need to pee.
Where are you gonna get off? Which is the one that goes to
I'm going to pee in my pants.
Just wait.
But I gotta go
There's some
pee.
bubbles here too. I've never eaten bubbles. Bubble gum shrimp.
Young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke.
Okay, hey vlog. I just peed, finally. Out of focus. Yeah, I look really crappy, and I've been in the car with my grandparents. I rode up with my grandparents instead of my parents and my siblings because, just because we have a baby in the car, and it would have been a lot cramped and stuff. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I'm going to. We're already in Corpus, and I'm in a Whataburger right now, if you can see that. And yeah, I just finally peed, and this is my first time talking, so hey vlog. So yeah, I will vlog when I can.
Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know all my mistakes are slowly drowning me. Little do you know I'm trying to make yourself a piece by piece. Little do you know
Okay, so we're now at the beach house, and I'm not gonna like show the house just because I don't want to like make it seem like showing off or anything like that. So I'm just basically it's gonna be, it has a room with bunk beds. There's my nephew screaming. He's a couple weeks and he's here, so yeah. I don't know about all that noise you're making, sir.
Okay.
There's his daddy. That's my brother. Yeah. They're unpacking the car right now. I'm gonna help in a bit, but yeah. At the beach, and this is what we see just laying here. A little shark. Crazy. My brother and sister. Well, his wife, but I don't believe in in-laws. She's my sister when they got married. Is it alive still?
I don't know. Hold on, it's super zoomed in. There we go. Just touch it. That shirt goes bad. Content warning. Dead shark. How do you feel about that?
I'm ready to get in the water. I just saw the Meg.
Alright.
We came to the grocery store and there's a car backing up. I'm on Lily's house right here for me. So we come here, we come to Port Aransas or Corpus every year, growing up ever since as far as I know, and there was a hurricane that hit, I think, last year, and they pretty much rebuilt so much, but there's a couple stores that are like completely demolished, and it's like actually really sad. And I don't know if anything you could hear what I was saying, but if I watch back the footage, I will fill y'all in when I'm editing. So yeah, we're at the store right now. of him pointing all the way over there. This should go in your mouth. The ultimate goals of a relationship. That one here always annoyed me. Hey guys, so I don't remember if I ended yesterday's vlog. It's been a busy vacation. So right now I am at the beach and my sister-in-law does not, I only came with my brother and my sister-in-law, and she did not want to get in the water, so we might be going to the pool. I don't know, it's confusing. I just want to go boogie boarding, but it's all something, so I'll keep y'all updated of what we decide to do. But yeah, right now it is debating whether or not she's going to get in. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is wet. I finally went boogie boarding. My sister has came. I think my grandparents and my dad are coming. Yeah, there's some birds. It's good. I'm already getting a little tan, as you can see. It's what I've been waiting for all year. So, yeah. I turned my sister-in-law into, I'm just gonna, like, I don't refer to her as my sister-in-law, but I'm gonna say my sister-in-law so you don't think I'm talking about my other sister. But yeah, my sister-in-law, she, I made her into a mermaid, but she left before I could finish. So, yeah, because my brother called her, so she left. So yeah, I'm just chilling here by the waves. I'm a little out of breath. I'm very dehydrated. I forgot to bring water, so I might walk back. I have water in my eye. I might walk back to the house. It's not a far walk, but I might, you know, so I can, you know, get hydrated. Yeah, so far this vacation's really good. So as I was saying in my previous clips, I don't know if I think I said it before. I'm sorry if I'm like this, I can't really see. We come here every year, and we go with my whole family. As my dad's side, we go with my grandma, my grandpa, my uncle, my aunt, their 2 kids, my uncle, my aunt, and their 2 kids, and then we go with my family. And now that there is 7 of us, because there's 5 originally, and then my brother got married, and then they had a baby. So there's 7 of us, and then just my grandparents. So we decided to come this year because no one else could make it. Just because it is our tradition and we love it very much. And there was a hurricane here last year. It's gonna be a year in like 2 days, I think. But we were very we drove by some places and we were like kind of attached of like, oh wow, like I can't believe, you know, this is the place we shop all the time and now it's gone. So it was like really sad to see. But yeah, we're going to probably going to town later to go to HEB. If you don't know what HEB is, it's a Texas thing. It's a Texas store. So yeah, we're probably gonna go there and get some groceries for dinner. I really want to go out to eat because they have a gluten-free pizza place. Well, it has regular pizza, but it has gluten-free pizza and a gluten-free dessert. So I'm almost like, yes, but I don't know if I can convince my family to go. But yeah, I am very happy about this vacation. I much needed the detox, but I'm sad because when my cousins are here, like the one who did my voiceover for my makeup tutorial, me and her are really close, and her name's Carolina. We're really close, and every vacation is the year I spend like every second with her. Like we're like attached by the hip. And yeah, she's not here, so it's very I'm bored a lot. I'm like, I don't know what to do, but yeah, I mean, I miss her because we used to share. We share a bed. We do this, we do that. Like we eat together. We we play together. We swim together. We all these things. So yeah, it's sad, but I'm enjoying the time, and I know I'm rambling right now, so I might cut half of this footage, but I really wanted to talk to y'all. I have been going through a lot of pain, and for those who don't know, I have a bunch of autoimmune diseases and chronic illnesses, so I really have been going through a lot, and I've been stressing so much. I just really needed a detox, and so yeah, I'm here, and I'm ready to just relax, and I feel great, and I know I haven't been making the videos that I should be making, and how many videos, but you know, I've been overwhelmed. I've been through a lot. Like I'm trying to make new videos every week, but it's getting hard, you know, so I'm sorry about that, but I will try my hardest to make more videos, I promise. But yeah, I really needed this vacation so I could just detox from everything, so. Okay, so I think I might make a vlog showing how much I've tanned, because that is what is important. I'm sorry that I'm shaking, guys. Let me see. My hands are slippery because I just put on tanning lotions. But it has sunscreen in it. Yeah. So we're walking to the pool right now because, I'm sorry guys, I'm not meaning to be shaky. And I know I am. It's just, my hands are slippery, and yeah. So, let me see if I can hold it like this. I'm walking to the pool. I don't know how many times I said that, but I'm walking to the pool. And I'm with my sister and my other sister and my brother. So, my sister-in-law. Sorry. Yeah, my sister. I'm just going to say, yeah. My two sisters and my brother. And we just left the beach. My grandparents just got to the beach, but they're going to be there for a while. So, we're just going to swim for a while, you know, relax, and then go back to the beach. So yeah, they're setting up the tent and stuff like that, and yeah, so far I have gotten tan. Not as much as I would like, but I've gotten tan. And yeah, we're not too far from the beach. Like, we're literally already approaching the house, and we have to go to the house to get our band to go to the pool. It's kind of confusing. Also, I was dehydrated and I got my water finally. So yeah, this is a really attractive angle, I know. Okay, we are at the pool now, and I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of it. So this is the pool, and then they have umbrellas and chairs everywhere. And then this is something I'm gonna be using tonight. We came here last night and it was closed. They have a hot tub. So I'm going to get in this pool because I am very hot, and it was a walk. My sister is very refreshed that it is wet. There isn't even a waterfall in this, so we're waiting for my brother and sister, and we are going to I'm gonna get in the pool, so I'll vlog when I can.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older, then we wouldn't have to wait so long? And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? No one's gonna make it that much better when we can say goodnight and stay together.
My family is packing up, but I am leaving early, so hopefully I can get in the shower first.
Yeah. No, I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. How you look so precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the precious dive you. Wow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine.
Okay, so we are now out in the town. You know, look at these tan lines. We're out in the town. We're at a place called Coffee Waves, and I got a 2-scoop salted caramel gelato. It's really good. This place makes me miss my Aunt Kat because every time we come here, she's very much obsessed with gelato. We came up with the thing of gelato is life last year, so I just missed her and stuff. But yeah, update when we do more. For the vlog. It's already recording. That's the best part of the vlog right there.
I agree.
Shut up.
Wait a second, you're not their sister. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Got it. What is that thing?
home. My brother wants to go swimming, so either I might go swimming or I might go take a nap. I'm in bed right now, so I think I'm going towards the second option, but yeah, I'm really tired and really burned, and yeah. So yeah, we stopped by the candy store. I got Reese's peanut butter cups, chocolate clusters, I think is what they're called. My mom just came in, so yeah.
You're mean. Take all the M&Ms for yourself. That doesn't mean you can eat any.
They're my M&Ms.
For everybody. Thanks, Grandma. That's what she...
I know, me too.
We want to go back to school.
Are you crying? Is this not funny? I don't know. But you're laughing. But you're laughing. Are you laughing? What do we do?
What, are you going to carry me?
You know
Oh my god, I'm going to die.
Let's go fly a kite. Yay, free cutting
No,
again.
don't you touch my
I
car.
got an idea. Why don't you just push all the pillows on the floor and then jump off?
I don't even feel it.
It's right behind you.
You feel the air conditioning? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Just hold on for your life.
Right there. Put your hand right there then.
Oh my god.
You're already off!
I'm gonna pull your hair. I'm gonna throw you off the bed.
She's gonna remove the ladder. It's a great investment. So I rested and I ate dinner, and now I'm spending time with my sister watching The Cat in the Hat.
Shut up.
And so yeah, but I had to fill y'all in. I'm very tired, very exhausted. So I will probably vlog the next time tomorrow. I think we're going fishing during the day, which usually we fish at night, but yeah, I'll vlog when I have more exciting things. So yeah.
90, 80, or 70. What is the lowest that is 80?
Okay, so just had breakfast, chilled, sang some songs and stuff with my family. Now, I'm back in my bed, and I didn't get very much sleep last night. I really don't feel good, so I'm going to try to... I'm sorry, I'm just so tired. I'm going to try to, take a little bit more of a nap, and then we're gonna head to the beach today in a little bit, so I'm gonna try to take a quick nap, and then I'll go to the beach and I'll vlog when I can. Okay, headed to the beach. It is, I don't know what time it is, but it's sometime in the afternoon. The family took forever to leave. My grandparents are already down there, but I didn't want to go without my sister, so I finally got my sister, my mom, and my dad to go. My brother and my sister, my other sister, his wife, they're they're staying at home with my nephew, their baby. So yeah, we're headed to the beach. It's pretty hot. As you can see, I got pretty tan. Yeah, we're going to go there. We usually do a photo shoot, so if we do, I'll answer some pictures. And we are going to, you know, be at the beach.
Trap money, Benny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Look, the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they run it.
We're at the pool, and I didn't update y'all because I was like busy and stuff, but yeah, I was already in the water, so that's why I'm dripping. I'm gonna get back in the water, so yeah. Okay, so I am home. I've showered. I ate lunch a couple hours ago, and I'm just going to enjoy a snack now. I rested for a little bit, and I'm gonna watch some TV and eat some organic grapes, strawberries and blueberries, and just like watch TV until we head out to go fishing. So. Okay, so we have made it to fishing. I already took some pain meds because I cannot stay up late for the life of me, so I might get a little silly. I don't know if that made sense. I have a hard time staying awake at night because of my pain, so I have a certain time I have to take my pills, and it's already past that time. I think it's like 10 something. So yeah, they're in effect. But we are headed to the dock, and we've been waiting for a while. Or pier. What is this? It's a pier. Is there a difference? Yeah. Yeah, we're at a pier. But yeah. There's people. There's the dock. They're buying bait right now. They're buying bait. Well, okay, we're gonna go look for a spot. And yeah, we're walking and we're talking, and Adrian and my brother and his wife are going to go get the poles, and yeah. Okay, so we left the other pier we were at because it was too crowded, we weren't catching anything, and it just wasn't worth it. So now we're at, what is this place called? Whoa, what? So apparently this place is called See, so yeah, we're looking at the prices of this place, and we're gonna see how, if we want to stay here or not. So I'll keep you updated when I catch some fish. First catch of the night by Padre. Good job.
Okay, you got one. Sure got it by now.
Ooh. Huh? Hand some over, chica. Thank you.
You want to go in and ask? Oh, thank you.
Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google.
So I'm finally home. It is 3:49 a.m. We just got home. I'm just got out of the shower. I took like a 5-minute shower. Waiting to get some Q-tips, and I'm going to bed. I caught a fish. I caught about 5 fish, but I only got a picture of one and a video of my other one, which is the same kind of fish. But yeah, fishing was fun. It was cool, but I'm tired and I can't stand for very long because it hurts. But it was fun. So I will vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow we're leaving in the morning, so I don't know how much I can get of vlogging. So if this is the last vlog, the last clip that y'all see, it was nice. Love y'all. So yeah, I'll try to vlog.
He's so cool. Oh, he's making up.
What?
He's so confused.
He's like, where are we?
He's awake.
Yeah, he woke up.
He's ready. He's ready for all the action.
He woke up to the good vibes.
Really good words.
Oh. Is ready for this?
Okay, I don't know how loud this is. We are on the ferry to go to Rockport to drive around. I'm tired. Yeah.
I hear the drums echoing tonight, and she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you.
But basically, we left Port A at like 10 something. Then we went to Rockport. We went on the ferry to Rockport, and then we ate there, and then we stopped by a store, and then we came home. It was like a 2 hour and like 30-minute drive. My back hurts. I'm tired. Yeah, normally it's like fine and stuff, but I had my new sister and my nephew in the car now, and it was just cramped. It was a lot. So yeah, nothing feels better than home sweet home. It's amazing. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm sorry I look like crap, but I hope y'all enjoy it. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.